Hello everyone, welcome back. This video lecture for class 8 subject science chapter number 17 and that is stars and the solar system. So dear students, in previous video lecture we have already discussed about the different phases of the moon. Then we have discussed about light year and different constellation and the different parts of the constellation, and then we have discussed about the solar system. So today we are going to deal with the topic that are the other members of the solar system, and we will discuss about the different planets. So Mercury, that are Venus, comets, meteors, artificial satellites. About all these things we are going to discuss. So before that, a short recap. So what is the celestial objects? We can say objects such as the stars, the planets, the moon and many other objects in the sky are called the celestial object. Very easy. Second thing which we have discussed, that is the phases of the moon. So we can see the various shape of the bright part of the मून. दैट मीन्स जो पार्ट सन का रिफ्लेक्ट होता है, जो पार्ट हमें शाइन होता हुआ दिखता है. एंड वी नो मून हैज़ नो इट्स ओन लाइट. it bright with the help of the light of the sun which reflect the earth's shadow. So we can say bright part of the moon as seen during a month are called phases of the moon. That means पूरे मंथ के दौरान, पूरे मंथ के ड्यूरिंग जो सनलाइट मून पे फॉल होती है, जिसके रिफ्लेक्शन के कारण वो ब्राइट होता है, चमकता हुआ दिखता है, दैट इज नथिंग, इट्स ओनली फेजेस ऑफ द moon. Next thing, we can say the moon revolve around the earth because moon is said as the natural satellite of the earth. And second thing, one more thing, that each and every planet move around the sun, and along with all the planets which are moving around the sun, they are also rotate on its axis like a top. Okay. Next thing which we have discussed, that is important, that is the moon revolve around the sun. It also revolve around the sun along with the earth के साथ साथ वो sun के सराउंड मूव करता है. The various stages of the moon during a month are always different, and according to its position it looks in different size and shape also. So today which we have discussed about, that is first the solar system. We can say the sun and the celestial body like sun, moon, stars and different other bodies which are in skies such as the planets, comets, asteroids and the meteors which revolve around the sun. I am repeating, these all bodies including planets, not only planets moving around the sun, not only planets revolve around the sun, but comets, asteroids, meteors also move around the sun with different planets, and that is known as solar system. Okay, that is these all bodies. Okay, these all bodies are known as including together solar system. So first, the very important concept as the solar system is made, as the solar name is said, with the sun it is named as solar system because sun is the only and only body, heavenly body, which is brightened, and due to the brightness of the sun the shadow reflects on the moon. Only this, due to the sun we are able to see each and everything on this planet, or we can say only due to the sun we can exist on this planet. So the sun is the nearest star which is the main source of heat and light for all the planets. सारे planets को heat and light पहुँचाने का काम कौन कर रहा है? सन का ही है, और सन के थ्रू ही सारे प्लैनेट्स पे हीट एंड लाइट रीच हो पाती है, पॉसिबल हो पाती है, इजंट इट? So we can say the planet do not have their own light. We know the thing, the planet, whatever, whichever the planets are there, that all 8 planets are there, they don't have their own light like stars. Stars are having their own light, but we can't say that sun has planets have its own light. They only reflect due to the sunlight. They only means all planets reflect due to the sunlight that fall on them. Planets do not twinkle like stars also, okay, because stars are twinkling due to its own light, but due to the unavailability of the own sun on light of all planets cannot be twinkling like stars, okay. On second thing, one more thing is that a planet has a definite path. As you are able to see here, is the top is moving, है ना. सो टॉप अपनी जगह पे मूव कर पा रहा है. लाइकवाइज ऑल प्लेनेट्स कंप्लीट द रोटेशन. All planets complete the rotation, or we can say all planets rotate on its axis, isn't it? As you are able to see here, top is moving on its axis only. So same wise, all planets has a definite path in which it revolve around the sun. This path is known as an orbit, okay. This path is known where each planet revolve around the sun. This path is known as an orbit. And one more thing regarding this orbit, we can say period of revolution, the time taken by a planet to complete one revolution around the sun, that period is known as revolution. So here you must be clear about both the things, revolution and rotation. That means वो 1 day rotation complete करेगा. It means it will complete 1 day or it will complete 24 hours. But if we talk about revolution, so each and every planet complete one complete revolution in 1 year. That means 365 days. सिंपल रिवोल्यूशन. आपको रिवोल्यूशन स्पेलिंग से आपको लर्न कर लेना है. रोटेशन स्मॉल स्पेलिंग कंपेरेटिवली रिवोल्यूशन. सो रिवोल्यूशन इज बिगर, दैट मीन्स रिवोल्यूशन 365 डेज में कंप्लीट होता है. एंड रोटेशन 24 आवर, दैट मीन्स इट विल कंप्लीट इन 1 day. सो अर्थ move on its on its axis around the sun, and if it completes 1 day 24 hours, that is said as rotation. But if we talk about revolution, when the planet, that means earth, complete one round around the sun on its axis, that is known as revolution. Here one more thing I want to clear with you. Besides revolving around the sun, a planet also rotate on its own axis like a top. The time taken by a planet to complete one rotation is called its period of rotation. So hope so all have clear in your mind what is the rotation and what is the revolution. Clear? Besides revolving around the sun, a planet also rotate on its axis. That means सिर्फ वो sun के surrounding ही चक्कर नहीं लगाता planet, but also it also rotates on its own axis like a top. जैसे top अपनी x पे एक ही जगह पे मूव करता है, वैसे हर एक planet सन के चारों तरफ मूव करने के साथ साथ अपनी प्लेनेट पे भी अपनी ऑर्बिट पे भी अपनी एक्सिस पे भी वो मूव कर पाता है. एंड जो टाइम में वो मूव कंप्लीट कर लेता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रोटेशन. नेक्स्ट थिंग, ईच एंड एवरी प्लेनेट डू हैव देयर सैटेलाइट्स, ओके. हर एक प्लेनेट के अपने सैटेलाइट होते हैं. जैसे वी ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट द मून इज ऑल्सो हैविंग Earth is also having a natural satellite that is named as moon. But कोई भी celestial body हो, कोई भी sun, star, moon, any celestial body which is heavenly body, we can say, revolving around the another celestial body. कोई भी celestial body किसी दूसरे celestial body के surround move कर रही है, that is said as satellite. Clear? What is satellite? कोई भी सेलेस्टियल बॉडी अगर दूसरी सेलेस्टियल बॉडी के सराउंड मूव कर रही है, दैट इज सेड एज सैटेलाइट. दैट इज व्हाई मून इज नोन एज द सैटेलाइट, बिकॉज मून इज ऑल्सो सेलेस्टियल बॉडी एंड मून इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन एंड सॉरी मून इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द अर्थ, दैट इज अ प्लेनेट. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो सेलेस्टियल बॉडी. तो मून भी सेलेस्टियल बॉडी है और जो अर्थ सेलेस्टियल बॉडी के सराउंड मूव करता है, that is why it is named as satellite. So here we can say, it can be said that earth is also celestial, earth is also a satellite of the sun. Fine, earth is also said as the satellite of the sun, though generally we call it a planet of the sun. हमें पता है, हम तो भी अर्थ को planet ही बोलते हैं because it will revolve around the sun, but including that all together that earth can be said as the satellite of the sun, because earth has same moon. Likewise, earth don't have their own light, it reflect due to the sunlight, it shines due to the sunlight. So we use the term satellite for the bodies revolving around the planets. Moon is a satellite of the earth. There are many man-made satellites revolving around the earth. These are called artificial satellites. About artificial satellites we will talk later. First, here we will discuss about the different remaining planets which are having their satellites and how they are look in shape and how they work, how they function. So here we will talk about the Mercury. Mercury is also named as Budh. Mercury is also named as बुध ग्रह, हम जो हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं. So here we can say the planet Mercury is the nearest to the sun. पूरे सोलार सिस्टम में सबसे सन के नियर कौन सा, सन के नियर जो एकदम नज़दीक का जो प्लेनेट है, दैट इज ओनली मर्क्यूरी. इट इज स्मॉलेस्ट प्लेनेट ऑफ द सोलार सिस्टम. पूरे सोलार सिस्टम में सबसे स्मॉल साइज का कौन है, कौन सा प्लेनेट है, दैट इज ओनली मर्क्यूरी. So because Mercury is close to the sun, it is very difficult to observe it. Fine, क्योंकि सन की इतना नियर है तो सन की इतनी हीट और लाइट के कारण वो हमें प्रॉपरली नहीं देख सकते, उसको ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर सकते ड्यू टू द सनलाइट एंड heat of the sun. It is very much difficult to observe it, as most of the time it is hidden in the glare of the sun. Obvious, सबसे ज़्यादा जब हमारे अर्थ के प्लेनेट तक इतनी तेज़ सनलाइट आती है, उसकी रेज इतनी तेज़ होती है, तो हम वी कैन इमेजिन द थिंग दैट द प्लेनेट विच इज़ द वेरी मच नियरेस्ट टू द सन, हाउ इट कुड बी एबल टू सीन. एंड वी कैन से द ग्लेयर ऑफ द सन we can't see it, or we can say it is always hidden. However, it can be observed just before sunrise or just after sunset. मतलब sunrise जब हो रहा उसके before, either or when the sun is going to set, at that time we can only see the particular planet that is named as Mercury. So it is visible only at places where trees or buildings do not obstruct the view of the horizon. Mercury has no satellite of its own. So we can say Mercury is the only planet which don't have any satellite. The next planet, that is Venus. Venus is the Earth nearest planetary neighbor. It is the brightest planet in the sky. Okay, if the question is asked, so you can say if the question is asked that which is the brightest star in our old solar system, so we can say Venus is only the star which we can say brightest star, right? Mercury, we can say it is very nearest to the sun and very smallest, सबसे small size का Mercury है. But if we talk about Venus, so Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky. Sometimes Venus appear in the eastern sky before sunrise. Sometime it appears in the western sky just after sunset. Therefore, it is often called morning or evening star. Even this question is also asked generally, that which planet is known as morning and evening star. So your answer must be like that, that due to the sometime it looks in the directions east when sun appears, and sometime it looks at the west side when sun is going to set. So that is the reason this planet, only Venus planet, is known as morning or evening star. Although it is not a star, है ना, ये स्टार नहीं है, फिर भी हम इसको नाम देते हैं मॉर्निंग और evening star. Second thing again important, Venus also don't have no moon or don't have any satellites. Okay, मतलब मर्क्यूरी का भी कोई सैटेलाइट नहीं है, वीनस का भी कोई सैटेलाइट नहीं है. क्लियर? 3 planets you clear. Sorry, 2, Mercury and Venus. The third planet which is very much nearest to the earth, which is very much nearest to the sun, that is earth. Okay, so earth is also named as Prithvi. We know the thing very well. Earth को हम क्या कहते हैं? पृथ्वी. The earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life is known to exist. Only earth पे ही हमें sunlight, oxygen, water, air, everything, atmosphere, everything we are getting on the earth. Due to that reason only each and every living organism can exist on this planet. None other planet we can live. Only earth is the planet where we can do live. Some special environmental conditions are responsible for the existence and continuous of the life of the earth. It includes just the right distance from the sun, so that is has the right temperature. Okay, next thing the important about earth, that is from space the earth appear blue green due to the reflection of the light from water and landmass on its सरफेस. दैट मीन्स अगर हम स्पेस से कभी भी अर्थ को नीचे देखने की ट्राई करेंगे तो वी विल फाइंड दैट अर्थ इज लुक लाइक इन ब्लू ग्रीन कलर. ब्लू ड्यू टू द लाइट ऑफ द water, reflection of light from water, and landmass is the symbol of the green color. So if on from the space we will find that earth looks green and blue in color. Next thing, the axis of rotation of the earth is not perpendicular to the plane of its orbit. The tilt is responsible for the change of season on the earth. The earth has only one moon. Next thing, that is Mars. Fourth planet, that is Mars. First we talked about Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, and fourth one is Mars. This planet is only, it appears only slightly reddish and therefore it is also called red planet. What is named as? It is also called red planet. Which planet? That is Mars. Okay. Mars have 2 small natural satellites. Up till now we have talked about the 4 satellites, 4 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So Mars ही ऐसा planet है जिसके 2 natural small Mars is the only planet which is having 2 small natural satellites. Fine. Earth is having only one natural satellite, that is the moon. Venus and Mercury and Venus, they don't have, both planet don't have any moon, any satellite. Mars is having 2 small natural satellites. Next which we are going to talk about, that is the Jupiter. That is the 5th planet which revolve around the sun. So Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. अब सोलार सिस्टम में सबसे बिगर प्लैनेट की बात करें तो दैट इज जुपिटर, दैट इज लार्जर. और स्मॉलेस्ट की अगर हम बात करें तो सबसे स्मॉल कौन सा है, दैट इज मर्क्यूरी. ओके, दैट इज इजी. स्मॉलेस्ट सबसे मर्क्यूरी एंड लार्जेस्ट सबसे प्लेनेट इन सोलार सिस्टम दैट इज द जुपिटर. So fifth number planet that is named as Jupiter, that is the largest planet of the solar system. So it is so large that about 13 Earths can be placed inside the giant planet. समझ में आ रहा है कितनी, 1300 अर्थ जितनी एरिया है उसका, किसका, जुपिटर का. मीन्स हमारी अर्थ 13 टाइम्स कर लो, 1300 टाइम उतना इतना जायंट प्लेनेट है दैट इज नेम्ड एज जुपिटर. However, the mass of Jupiter is about 318 times that of the Earth. Earth से 318 times largest, biggest we can say mass of the Jupiter. It rotates very rapidly on its axis. वो अपनी एक्सिस में इतना फास्ट मूव करता है जितना कोई भी प्लेनेट ना कर सके. So this was all about different types of planets. Remaining portion we will complete in next video lecture. Till that, take care. Goodbye.